I've had EQ before and was thinking about getting another one as I like to sculpt the sound of my amp a little. I don't play live at the moment, so I like the mid-scooped sound of playing on my own. You know, that nice bass, chimey highs sound? The sound of the California Tweed or Tone King Imperial. Well, at least to my ears anyway. So I bought this. In this video, I'm looking at the Caline CP-24 10-band EQ with precise control over the whole frequency range. And the sliders light up, making it easier to see. From 31.25 to 16K, there's plenty of scope to adjust the frequencies you need to boost or lower the EQ. EQ, I've found, works best when you're subtracting frequencies rather than boosting them. And this unit's so smooth, there's no extreme unnecessary decibel boosts. It's nice to use it to sculpt an EQ without it getting too noisy or too bassy. You can really fine-tune your tone with the range of channels. There's also a gain channel on the left-hand side. The CP-24 is silent, durable and easy to use. Like all Caline pedals, it's true bypass, so it won't impact your tone when it's switched off. And it comes in this solid metal housing. The sliders also have the right amount of resistance and each one has its own red LED. Caline make a great range of pedals in my opinion, in the budget range. I've tried a few variants from the Snakebite Reverb, which is really good, to the Azores Overdrive and Fuzz, and they all hold up really well. For my money, and in my opinion, this EQ pedal is fantastic, and with the precise usable adjustments, this is staying on my board, allowing me to micro-tune my sound. So what did you think? Have you got any experience with this pedal or any other EQ? Let me know in the comments as always, and you stay well, my friends.